Guys, welcome to my channel that name is Current Affair. Today I will discuss 100 current affair question that is important for any competitive exam. This is a previous year question of RRB, NTPC and Group D. Let's start without wasting the time. Which network covers the largest geographical area? The answer is option number B, WAN, WAN. Option number B is the correct answer. Let's find the next question. Which city is famous for the Kalighat painting? The answer is option number C, Kolkata. Kolkata is the famous for Kalighat painting. The Luni River originates from which mountain range? Uh, the answer is option number D, Aravalli. The Luni River originates from. Next question. Deepika Palikal and Joshna Chimpa represent India in which sport? The answer is option number C, squash. Next question. Casein is a protein found in which product? The answer is option number D, milk. Let's find the next question. The next question is brass is an alloy of. The answer is option number B, 20% zinc and 80% copper. Option number B. Let's find the next question. The group of 4 bytes is called. Group of 4 byte is called nibble. Option number B is the correct answer. Let's find the next question. The next question is Dol Kuntia is a folk dance of which Indian state? The answer is option number B, Karnataka. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is a renewable sources of energy? Renewable sources of energy is option number C, wood. Let's find the next question. The next question is King Simha Vishnu belongs to which deity? The answer is option number D, Palav. Which cell organs digest waste and foreign particles? The answer is option number C, lysosomy. Option number C. Which of the following is not a constellation? The answer is option number B, C, yes, SIRIUS. Let's find the next question. Option number B is correct answer. Who lies the practice of a sati in India? The answer is option number B, Lord William Bentinck. Let's find the next question. Which statement is about the TIFAC is incorrect? The answer is option number C, development technology driven public distribution of system. 1/3 reservation for women is applicable in which election? The answer is option number C, Panchayati Raj. Let's find the next question. Which is the headquarters of the East Central Railway located? The answer is option number B, Hajipur. Let's find the next question. Which city of Madhya Pradesh has been renamed as Narmadapuram? The answer is option number A, Hosangabad. Let's find the next question. From which year the national calendar based of a Sakha era adapter? The answer is option number C, 1957. Option number C is the correct answer. Which Assami writer won the Satya Academy Award in 2020 in the short story of category? The answer is option number B, Jayashree Goswami Mahanta. When was the India's Mars orbited mission successful placed in the Mars orbit? The answer is option number C, 24th September 2014. Next question. In which year did the new Indian flag code come into effect? The answer is option number B, in 22. Which animal species is the endemic to be a Western Ghat? The answer is option number D, Nilgiri Thar. Let's find the next question. Which of the following is a properties of a metalloids? The answer is option number D, semiconductor. Next question. The next question is how many regional culture center were established in India till July 2019? The answer is option number B, 6. Let's find the next question. Which site was submitted to UNESCO for the World Heritage nomination in 2021 cycle? The answer is option number D, Dholavira. Which of the following is not involved in the organizing Global Bio India 2021? The answer is option number B, Minister of Health and Family Welfare. Next question. The non-cooperation movement was adopted by the Indian National Congress in December 1920. Was it at B, Nagpur? Let's find the next question. A shared network within an organization that allow employees to communicate with each other is called. The answer is option number D, intranet. Let which of the following is a crime gland in the human body? The answer is option number B, pituitary gland. Option number B is the correct answer. The terms silly point, slip, and googly are used in which sport? The answer is option number D, cricket. Let's find the next question. Which bacterium is associated with the formation of a root cells in leguminous plant? The answer is option number C, Rhizobium. According to the articles 334 and 351 of the Indian Constitution, how many languages are recognized in the 8th schedule? The answer is option number D, 22. In December 2018, the United Nations declared 7 June as a which day? The answer is option number B, World Food Safety Day. Let's find the next question. The terms silly point, slip, gully are used in which sport? The answer is option number D, cricket. Let's find the next question. Which of the following is not an output device for the computer? The answer is option number C, mouse. Let's find the next question. The next question is which city is famous for the carpet waving nut? The answer is option number D, Varanasi, Banaras. Let's find the next question. Who played a major role in the promoting English education in India? The answer is option number D, C, Thomas Bington Macaulay. Where is the headquarters of the Western Central Railway located? The answer is option number C, Jabalpur. Let's find the next question. The next question is the Battle of Plassey, after which British gained political power in India, who fought in which year? The answer is option number B, 1757. Who wrote the novel Dugas Nandani? The answer is option number C. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Let's find the next question. Sri Harikota, from where Chandrayaan 2 was launched in, located in which district? The answer is option number D. Nellore. On which continent is the country Mongolia located? The answer is option number A. Asia. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which pigment is mainly responsible for the color of hair, human hair, skin and eyes? The answer is option number B. Melanin. Let's find the next question. In December 2018, the United Nations declared 7th June as a which day? The answer is option number B. World Food Safety Day. Let's find the next question. Which of the following is not an output device of a computer? Monitor, headphone, mouse, या printer? The answer is option number C. Mouse. Let's find the next question. In computing, which of the following is a not an input device? The answer is option number D. Projector. Option number D. Let's find the next question. The Quit Indian movement was launched in 1942. In which month? The answer is option number B. August. Let's find the next question. Which countries share a part of a run of Kutch with India? The answer is option number A. Pakistan. Let's find the next question. Which is the largest thermal power plant in India as the January 2021? The answer is option number C. Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station. Which of the city is known as a blue city? Option number D. Jodhpur city is known as a blue city. Let's find the next question. The next question is, what is the full form of IRCTC? The full form of IRCTC is Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Option number C is the correct answer. In which year the Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry established? The answer is option number D. 1930. Let's find the next question. Chilika Lake is famous for which of the following bird? The answer is option number D. Flamingo. Let's find the next question. In which city did the Raja Ram Mohan Roy establish the Brahmo Samaj? The answer is option number B. Calcutta. Calcutta is a city there Raja Ram Mohan Roy established the Brahmo Samaj. So let's find the next question. The next question is, which film was nominated for the best adapted screenplay at the Oscar 2021? The answer is option number A. The White Tiger. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon. Let's find the next question. Which Indian organ doctor was appointed as a US Surgeon General in 2021 by the President Joe Biden? The answer is option number B. Vivek Murthy. Vivek Murthy was appointed as the US Surgeon General in 2021. Let's find the next question. Who founded the Naujawan Bharat Sabha? The answer of option number A. Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a Naujawan Bharat Sabha founded. Let's find the next question. The next question is, This is a 100 question, number of 100 question. If you like my question, please like. Plant cell wall is made of which substance? The answer is option number A, cellulose. The answer is next question. Which of the following is not a function of an international monitoring fund? The answer is option number D, providing military lines. Which statement about the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan is incorrect? The answer is option number B. It was limited to only 11 districts. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which statement is about the World Trade Organization is incorrect? The answer is option number C. It is a World Transport Organization. Option number C is the correct answer. Let's find the next question. The next question is, the soft season between the Rabi and Kharif crops is known as. The answer is option number A, Jaid season. Option number A is the correct answer. Next question. Which hardware device is installed on the motherboard and work as an internal memory of a CPU? The answer is option number D, RAM. Which statement about the Aurangzeb is incorrect? The answer is option number D. He was the second son of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal. Next question. Parliament normally cannot make law on the state list except when. The answer is option D. Raj Sabha passes revolution. Param Siddhi is related to the which of the following? The answer is option number C. Artificial intelligence supercomputer. Option number C. Which statement is about the Chandrayaan 2 mission is incorrect? The answer is option number D. The orbiter, lander and rover all land successful. What was the name of the container ship stuck in the Suez Canal in March 2021? The answer is option number C. Ever Given. Let's find the next question. Next question. What is the main object of a Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan? The answer is option number B. Generating employment in rural area. Option number B is the correct answer. Let's find the next question. And the next question, which statement is about the World Trade Organization is incorrect? The answer is option number D. It is a World Transport Organization. Option number D is incorrect. Let's find the next question. Find the next question. The Kepler law of area is related to which concept? The answer is option number C. Law of areas is a Kepler law of areas is related to area concept. Let's find the next question. The next question is, what is the function of ALT plus tab shortcut to open? The answer is option number B, to switch between the open programs. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which of the following is bill is not introduced in the Lok Sabha? The answer is option number D, revenue bill. Let's find the next question. Which statement is related to Jallianwala Bagh incident is incorrect? The answer is option number D. It occurred in the March 1920. Let's find the next question. Which information about the Engineer Indian Limited is incorrect? The answer is option number C. It is a private sector company. Let's find the next question. Which national and highway connect Pune and Hyderabad? The answer is option number C. NH9. NH9 is connected with Pune and Hyderabad. Option number C is a correct answer. Find the next question. The next question is, what is the primary function of the hormone estrogen? The answer is option number A. Let's find the next question. After the Battle of Plassey, the British gained political power in India in which year? The answer is option number B. 1757. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Tomorrow I will discuss 100 questions of previous year NTPC and Group D question. Thank you for watching and supporting.